Have you ever wondered how much a small YouTuber can reasonably make in their first year of being monetized? Well, in this video, we're going to go over that. I have about 3,500 subs, so I think I'm a great example of what to expect in your first year of YouTube. 3,500 subs is a super reasonable goal for you to hit. It's only about 10 subs a day, which is super easy. Not easy, but it's a reasonable goal, right? You're not going to get to that million sub mark overnight, and most people are never going to get there, even if you grind. But 3,500 subs, anybody can do that if you put your mind to it. And in today's video, I'm going to go over all of the revenue I've made on this channel in the first year. We're going to break it all down just so I can be clear with you guys and show you guys what to expect. All right, guys, so here it is. This is my YouTube analytics page. I have it filtered for 2025. As you guys can see here, I got monetized in January of 2025 is when I hit I didn't hit the thresholds there. I passed the thresholds in December, but it takes about a month to go through the checks and processes to set up, your revenue or the partner program. But I've been monetized for a little over a year now, almost exactly a year actually, since making this video. Yeah, January 19, it's January 12 right now. Anyways, over the year, I have 1.8 million views, which is fantastic. And then I made about $1,800, which is more than enough for me. I'm very grateful for that amount. It's enough to pay for the gaming PC that I got to make content on, but I'm not retiring anytime soon, and I'm certainly not quitting my day job, that's for sure. But I think this is a super reasonable number for a lot of you to expect in your first year on YouTube, super obtainable, especially if you have a full-time job and you're just doing this as a hobby. I post maybe one video a week. When I'm doing a lot, post 1, 2, maybe 3, and I'll go a whole month without posting. So, I think I'm a normal person doing YouTube. I do spend quite a bit of time on it, but, could definitely spend more, could definitely spend less. But, like I said, $1,800 is probably what you're going to be expecting in your first year. We'll break it down exactly where that all comes from here next, but just wanted to show you guys that's about how much we get in the first year. And then a couple things to note is that a lot of this is actually going to come from long form videos. I'll go over that all in a minute, but, 1,800 views, probably 600,000 of that's long form, 1.2 million is that shorts, but majority of the revenue is coming from the long form. So we'll break that down now next. So if we go into the filters here, we'll go content type, and then we'll go to videos. We'll apply that first. As for revenue by videos, we're making $1,500 off of the videos, which is almost the majority of it. It did spike a few times, and I probably would have had more because a couple of my best videos I actually posted prior to being monetized, such as this best tractor video I posted 10 days before I was monetized. And I got 40,000 views. This probably would be my highest earning video, but it missed out on the first week of views. So it probably would have been up here. Anyways, but the real money for me has been consistent views. It's not these spikes. These spikes are nice. They're great. They're not consistent though. They're not sustainable. It's more luck for me to hit a video like that. Where I really make money is by having views that come steadily. So if you look at this video specifically, you'll see that it makes revenue over time. It did spike at the initial thing, but it's only $9. Where I really made money is that 50 cents a day, and it doesn't seem like a lot, but as you post videos, if you're getting 50 cents a video and you have 100 videos, you're making, what is that, $50 a day? If my math's correct there. It's easier said than done to do that, but the more videos you post, the more consistent you post, the more money you're going to get over time because you're going to keep earning from your older videos, and it's going to snowball. You're going to get more subscribers, you're going to get more money, more revenue, all that stuff. It's going to stack, and it's just over time you just got to be consistent and get that library up, and you're going to notice that you have a good time with it. Now, if I show you the opposite of that, if we go back here. If we go to another video here, we'll just pick this one here. Best tractor mods. This one did pretty good, but you can see this one spiked quite a bit. It spiked really initially at the beginning, got $2, but it really hasn't done anything since. Granted, a couple cents here and there is super nice, and like I said, it does add up. Do not be discouraged. It does add up over time, and that is pretty solid. But, some of these videos, they're not going to do good over time. It just kind of depends on the type of content. I noticed that my tutorials, things that people search up, are going to do longer, better over time. Maybe not initially, but they'll do better over time as opposed to a best mods video, which will get 1,000 views in the first day and then nothing going forward. A how-to video like this one, it gets decent views the first day, but it's going to consistently get the same amount of views going forward. And that's where the money's at over time. I would much prefer having these kind of videos because, they may only get 500 views in the first day, but if they get 500 views a day, that's better than getting 20,000 views in the first day and nothing going forward. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And now let's go over the shorts here. So if we go to content type shorts, I want to show you guys this as well. So I made about $150 on shorts. The majority of that's only coming from a couple of these shorts because most of these shorts are making less than $1. And the odd thing about shorts that I've noticed is they aren't consistent in when you get views. So like this one is my best one. It did basically nothing when I made it. And then a month or 3 months later, it started spiking. And ever since then, it's been doing well. Don't know what caused it, but 3 months later, so be consistent, keep posting. If you're not getting views, don't be discouraged, guys, because it might take 2 months for that video to take off. This one took literally, I posted it here, did basically nothing, hit this point in March, and it went skyrocketed, and it's still doing pretty strong. So you start getting a couple of those, your channel is going to really take off. But I just wanted to show you that because not every video is going to be, same thing. This one's been a consistent stream. And then other shorts, the ones that don't do well, I actually notice they actually take off right away. So like, we'll just pick this one here. You'll notice this one, boom, spike, and then literally nothing since then. So not every video is going to do the same. Not every short's going to do the same. Sometimes if it doesn't do anything right off the bat, don't be discouraged. It might take off later. But yeah, so that's the shorts content for you. And now if we go to the live streams, we'll go that next. And we made about $67 on live streams last year, which is pretty solid. As you guys can see, I did a lot more streaming early in January, December, March, because this time of the year I'm really busy, so I don't have time to sit down for 3 hours to do a live stream. This time of the year I do, which is why I've been live streaming more. I do intend to live stream more on this channel. Check it out, guys. But anyways, yeah, $67 is pretty solid. I don't get a ton of donations. Those of you who donated, super appreciative. I think I made about $20 in donations in the history of this channel, which is fantastic. I can't believe people are willing to donate to me. That's awesome. I appreciate it so much. So shout out to those guys. But yeah, so that's the live streams, not a huge money maker, but I do enjoy those. Those are probably the most fun because I get to talk to you guys. If I could only live stream, I probably would, but it's just, if I'm trying to make any revenue stream from it, it's not coming from the live streams. So that's why I focus more on the long form content as best I can, because it does the most revenue. And then also we can look at memberships here, I believe. Revenue source, if we break that down, watch page ads is where I'm getting a majority. So that's all the ads you guys see. Same with YouTube Premium, same deal. That's just people watching the videos is these top 3 here. So 1,400, that's almost everything. $38 for membership. Shout out Spike. You've been a long time member of the channel. Memberships, I do make a little bit, $38, pretty solid. And then a little bit from super chats, that's 1 donation, super stickers, $1.40, and then some gifts here and there. So, pretty solid. But this is the breakdown here, watch page. Most of it's coming from ad revenue. The occasional donor will give me a little bit here or there, and then a little bit of memberships, which I appreciate greatly. And, overall, guys, really can't complain. This has been a fantastic first year of being monetized on YouTube. I think what my channel has done is super achievable for you guys. If you guys want any tips or tricks, let me know in the comments. I'll try and make a video if you guys are interested in that. If you guys aren't, totally understand. I'm obviously not a big guy, a big YouTuber, so I don't know if you want to even listen to my comments on that, but check out in the Discord. I'll give you guys any tips you want. I don't want to give unwarranted advice, but if you guys want any advice on how to get monetized, I'm more than happy to share that in the Discord. But yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Again, love all of you guys. You guys made this possible, and I greatly appreciate all the watching you guys have done and making this channel possible. So anyways, guys, peace out.